3D printing. We believe that you've heard it. However, have you ever thought of 3D food printing? The current global food model is unsustainable, and the world's population is estimated to reach 9.8 billion by 2050. Therefore, we got to change. And now, with the development of advanced technology, 3D printed food is born. Our business, FutureZ, will be the first 3D food printing restaurant in Hong Kong. 3D food printers allow us to determine the exact amount of vitamins and minerals to be added in, and to ensure that we're serving customers with the most healthy and nutritious dishes. If you are a health enthusiast, patient, teenager, or representative of schools that are into STEM development, you will definitely be interested. We believe that 3D printed food will be the trend, and our market will definitely expand in the future.